We're going to call this video the 10-minute stress reduction video. I'm going to show you some simple exercises in Tai Chi for actually reducing your stress by combining your breath with emotion. I will go through certain exercises, and I'm not that concerned about foot position, your arms exactly. What I really want is for you to coordinate your breath with the motion. This will have a huge effect on your nervous system, even the levels of stress hormones such as cortisol in your system. The key though is to actually combine the length of the motion with the breath. So in other words, let's say I'm taking my arm across and I would breathe out all the way across. And then I may breathe in as the motion comes in the other direction, all the way across. There's really good research to support this. There's some pretty amazing MRI studies on the brain, and they actually measure certain stress hormones in the blood, and they all go down within a short period of time. So let's begin with a simple exercise. Bring your arms up, breathe in, relax your shoulders, and let it out. You can bend your knees a little bit if it's more comfortable. Breathe in, and let it out. Make your breath as long as the motion. So breathing in and let it out. Good. Breathe in and out. So don't bring your arms up too high when you come up. Come up, breathe in, about shoulder height, and down. Let your air out. Perfect. Breathe in and out. Just a few more. Breathe in and out. Take it in and out. Good. Now I'm going to get you to widen your stance, lower yourself down just a little bit, and take your arms across. So let's say we're breathing out all the way across to the edge of the motion, and then breathe in. Breathe out. Very simple, relaxing motions. So if we're counting, this would be one half of a motion as we go across, and the other half would be the other way. So when we do this, we do about 10 repetitions. But again, we're focusing on our breath. So breathing in and breathe out. Good. Good. Just let yourself move across. Perfect. So when you're counting 10 repetitions, right across. Now when you're going through this, what I'd like you to focus on is your breath. And really slow it down and just really relax your entire body. Good. And across. So another one I want you to do is you take a wide stance, your arm up, and cross. And don't worry if you don't have the exact position. Okay, so let's say we breathe in, and then we breathe out. Now you may find at first, if you go too slow, that you're running out of breath and you're having a hard time coordinating your breath with the motion. You can speed up slightly until you can actually lengthen your breath and not be out of breath. Good. Really relax. Now Now, when you're going through this exercise, I'm telling you to focus on your breath. You may find that you have a lot of thoughts that come into your mind as you're going through this, what you have to do before or after this. Don't worry about that. Just observe that you're thinking a particular thought and then come back to the breath. Good. So let's say we counted out 10 repetitions. Let's move on to another one. Have one foot forward. Either you can be on your heel, you can be on your toe, or if it's more comfortable for your foot to just be flat. The main thing again is coordinating the breath. So take a deep breath in and out. Breathing in all the way up and out. Relaxing your shoulders, your arms, your hips, your knees, your entire body. Coming up and out. Bring it up and out. Good. In, take it out. Good. So again, we're going to do this for 10 repetitions. Now, after you've done 10, I would probably recommend using the other leg, bring one leg forward here, and just repeat it again. Besides coordinating your breath, the amazing thing about this is by just getting your arms up over your head and going around, this actually helps to increase lymphatic drainage in your system. So it's actually a very positive thing. A lot of people don't realize they have something like carpal tunnel syndrome or other problems, that quite often there is extra fluid in different areas of the body. This actually, if you work systemically, it helps to get it out of the system. Let's go on to the next exercise here. We're going to come in, put your hand on your waist, and push out. Come in, slowly, roll, and out. Now the nice thing about this is that it's actually getting you to move your hips a little bit and just really relax at the same time. Push out again, coordinating your breath. So let's say you breathe in. Breathe out. Good. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in and out. Now after you do 10 repetitions, just go on the other side. Same sort of thing. Pushing out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Good. Now, the last exercise I want you to do is actually quite simple. We're just taking our arms and we're breathing in and let your air out. Relax. Breathe in and out. Breathe in. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. As I mentioned, it's not really that important that you follow my exact hand movements or body position, but to coordinate your breath with the length of the movement. This is really powerful work, and we really know how powerful it is with some of the advances in technology. When they do functional MRI studies on the brain, they see that people that do mindful meditation, Tai Chi, yoga, they actually increase the thickness of the cerebral cortex. In other words, they're actually stimulating neurons in the brain to actually grow, which is pretty amazing because at one point they didn't think you could actually do this. but functional MRIs have now shown that this is quite possible. So spend 10 minutes a day, coordinate your motion with the breathing. The benefits will be very substantial in a very positive way.